What's up guys, it's Krissy and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Krissy and today's video is going to be basically what the title says. I'm going to be redoing my whole dresser. I'm going to be transforming it into something completely different. So if you guys want to watch how I do that, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so this is basically what my dresser looks like, all clean. Okay, well it's not clean. I still have to clean this off and then I'm going to move this onto the ground. One thing I did already do before I started filming this was I did add new knobs right here. They're just like crystal knobs. Yeah. I will be changing out these knobs to a gold, different ones, but I'll show you guys that. So here's this. So now I'm just going to clean this off and I'll be back with you guys in just a minute. Okay guys, so now that I have this pretty much well cleaned off, the next thing that I'm going to be using on the top of this is this, is this like peel and stick. It's basically like contact paper and it is like a marble. So what you mainly need to do is measure out every little part of the surface that you're going to be using. So I have like all my dimensions written down right here. Got my scissors, got a pencil. So let's go mark this bad boy up! Okay guys, now that we have this all placed out how I want it, we're going to start peeling and sticking it. Just be thinking, good luck. Good luck, Krissy. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like all stuck down. So on this, I mean, you can't, it's not going to look perfect if you look very closely to it, but it is fine. And we did wrap it right here on the edges so that it looks like it's like a countertop of marble. Now I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with the knobs. So the next part that I'm going to be doing is the knobs. So I did just buy this 10 pack of knobs from Lowe's and they're like square. And how I have it set up to where I can spray it is I have it on a piece of cardboard and it's like screwed in whatever. So I can really get each side. And then for the platform I bought these little like handle looking things and I'm going to glue it on with some E6000 onto my marble tile, which I will show you guys that when I get to it and start building it and whatnot. You're also gonna need your handy dandy gold spray paint or whatever paint you want to use. Let's get to spraying this. So for now I'm just going to leave them drying and then I'll spray them a second time to make sure that it's fully coated and they look even and nice. So now that all my knobs are all painted gold, this is what they look like. So now we're going to take these off and then put on the new ones. Alright y'all, I got all the little knobs off, but I'm going to clean around here because it looks pretty bad. That's pretty much it. And then we're going to get the new knobs on and I will show you guys what the end result looks like. Alright, so this is what the final thing looks like as like the drawer parts. I do have all the new knobs on along with these knobs that have already been on here, but this is what it looks like all finished. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do the platform for makeup brushes or whatever you want to use it for. Alright guys, so for this next project thing you're going to need is like a tile or a platform tray thing, whatever you want to use. I just used this marble tile along with this little piece. And I also showed you guys these when I was painting the knobs. But they are like this, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use those. And then three things, like three little container things. You're also going to need some E6000 glue or hot glue, whatever you want to use. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my E6000 and this little piece, and I'm going to glue it onto this tile piece like that. So it's kind of like a little back part for it. So let's do that real fast. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is stick our things that are gonna mimic being a handle. So what I want to do is something basically like this, so it can mimic like you're gonna be picking it up, which for me it's just gonna be stationary and just stay where it's at. So I'm gonna figure out where I want them to go, and I'm kind of having them a little bit close to the edge to utilize a lot of this space right here. And now that I like where it's placed, I'm going to take some more E6000 glue and put it on the bottom of these little pegs that are right here. I'm going to let it dry for a couple minutes, and then I am going to stick our containers on. So now that I have my three containers, like how I want it to look, I'm going to just start gluing everything down. What I am also doing is just applying a little bit of pressure. This one as well, and I will be back with you guys. Alright you guys, so I did just want to show you like a quick look at how the finished product of like this platform I designed. And so do just have them all stuck down. I can pick them up by the handles to move it. I do just have brushes in here, and I'm still able to move this around. But yeah, this is just basically how it looks. Excuse the background. I'm so sorry. This is how it looks. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. And there you guys go. Those are two DIY projects that I have shown you guys how to do, and they are so cheap and so easy to do at home. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.